We began by lining up the 3 most exciting cars on the planet for the drag race.
Oh my God, that is quick! Holy mother, did you see that?
Mate, Jesus Christ, it's all over the place.
Since it was clear I'd got all my buttons wrong, the chaps agreed to another run.
And we are away. What a start!
Porsche has gone off to a flyer.
Oh, balls. That wasn't very good.
Because James had somehow messed up that time, and because this test was about the cars, we decided to go again.
It's a rocket ship.
No! Okay, we have all 3 won this now.